this thing. Okay.
Other things will be
I think I should introduce you guys to the people behind the camera there. So you guys will be meeting your seniors who are currently in second years. So they have recently graduated from first year and gone to second year. Actually, it's been 3-4 months. So on camera, you can see Varun. Varun, you can say hi. That is Aditi.
hello.
And then you have Faizan who's driving.
Don't try this
So
stunt at home, okay?
Yeah.
Don't use mobile while driving.
yeah, so they are doing it carefully. So they'll be actually, I'll give the platform to them so they can show you the college and they'll actually make you, meet a lot of faculties and like you'll probably see me also. So yeah, Fazan, Aditi, Varun, it's all yours.
Yeah. So it's been hello guys. We are your seniors, and yeah, it's been 8 long months since you came to our college. It really feels so good to be back with all my friends here. Yeah, a lot of them are not here, but yeah, I have two of my friends here. So yeah, you're going in. Please enjoy. And yeah, this is our college. Manchester School of Architecture.
You want the link? You want to see it? Yeah, I don't mind. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. You can join.
Yeah, guys, please wear mask on.
Yeah. We can see Priyanka ma'am coming here.
Hi, welcome to MSA. Thank you, Aditi Faizan, and Rahul for having us today. Um, Shivswamela. Yep.
And the new normal. Yeah.
Yeah, the old normal. Yeah. So if any of you are being late to college, make sure that you're going to write your name and time you're entering the college.
Write your name. And if you are late, give put one autograph. Yeah.
And yeah, don't forget to use the sanitizer. Yeah. So this is our college.
So we are going into our principal's cabin. So,
Hi everyone.
This is our principal, Sapna ma'am.
They know me. Hello again. Okay, this
Hi,
is
ma'am.
Fazan will show you where I sit.
Yeah.
Always.
this is our principal's home.
And that's the CCTV. If anyone is trying to play the fool, I'll know from wherever I'm sitting. Okay. And we have with us today Dr. Lakshmi Devi. She is the secretary of our trust. LK Memorial Charitable Trust runs Mysore School of Architecture. And Dr. Lakshmi Devi is the secretary of the trust. She will now speak to you.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. I'm very happy to see you, all of you,
Ma'am, you see
today.
here.
Yeah, you see it.
Okay, I'm very happy to see you, and I welcome all of you to our MSA group. You need not fear, we are very considerative, and we are very happy to receive you here. You will be you will be having a very good staff, faculties who will be with you all the time and help you to study well. And you have entered into a very creative say course where you can learn a lot and you can be very very happy, and all of us will meet together again on an induction day where we will meet face to face. I wish you all good luck and I welcome you all to this campus. Thank you.
Ma'am, can we see your face?
I can't see.
Hello, can you see me?
Guys, please pin Faizan's screen or else you'll be seeing it as a thumbnail.
They have to bring this.
Yeah.
Is it possible for Faizan to keep the audio on because automatically it will come on and video also will be recorded properly? I
Yeah,
think
all right. Yeah, okay. Now,
Actually, what is happening? there is light coming from behind. That is why probably we will not write it. Because
Can you see me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yeah, welcome to you all.
So this for the first time we are having a different kind of induction program because this is all going online. We would ideally want all of you, your parents, all to meet one day, which will happen in the near future. Till such time, you will have only online memories.
The new normal.
Yeah, the new normal. Okay,
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
So,
Sudarsana and Satish Anna, they work in the office and they help us with most of the clerical jobs here. And any stationaries you can just ask him. Yeah. So we have a small stationery store there also.
so before the stationery, you have the reception area, which is right here, and here is a nook where you have the stationery, and here we have.
This is our stationery store and we have Madhikana
Yeah.
and Sir here.
Hi.
We didn't go anywhere to buy stationery. We have right in our college.
Yes. Now we are heading towards our admin block.
Not here today.
Yeah.
And
This is Shobha ma'am.
these are the trophies. And we have something called Arcades, which will be held every year. Actually, you guys are missing out a lot on that. That's a fun part in the college. I mean, the whole college becomes one. Everyone takes part in that, and it will be so lively, so fun. And yeah, it's a whole new different experience. Unlike other college fests and all, it's something really cool, fun. Very, I mean, you even guys get to learn, get to interact with seniors, and yeah, it's the same one, but it's completely fun.
Kind of fun. Enjoy a lot.
And this is our admin office.
So this is our Gopal Krishna sir, and this is Manju Anna. He looks after everything of college accounts and all.
Yeah, very interesting. Spend time. So here, where we spend a lot of time.
Yeah. We have to education and classes over here.
Yeah.
We sit and talk with our seniors, teachers, everyone.
And even most of the events will be happening here. A lot of things happening here. Like it's the heart of the college, I would say.
One place with so many memories.
Yeah, actually. And yeah, how can we forget this? We are the NASA winners of NASA winners of 2019, and this is our trophy. Yeah, cool, amazing trophy.
And the person here is the UD, unit designee of NASA from our college. Here we can see a small nook where they are preparing tea for the time being. Yeah, COVID times.
Yeah, and one thing, we are also referred as Z554 in the NASA unit. So, yeah. And these are the models done by our seniors.
We will be doing.
Yeah. And this is our staff room, the ground floor.
So,
This is our faculty first year room.
Okay, not a very deep one because then it is not comfortable for people to walk on it. Yeah, galaxy. You started out first in shelf stuff. You also have your what do you call it? You will go more, not these are fairly strong.
Is this guy saying who this person is here? Right. Alexa, don't know.
Yeah, see, this is Studio Park. We recently talked about this Archidays event. We do all this in the Archidays.
Yeah, the whole
Installations,
college will be
yeah.
decorated.
We use various installations in our course.
And these are the last year stuff which we still have on the floor.
These are my footprints. Yep.
Yep. Yeah. So here we have a classroom. And an apple. And this is
Food place.
Yeah,
And so
seeing
many
this after so
seminars.
many months actually.
Huh?
Coming back after so many months.
Yeah.
So,
Better to yeah.
these are done by our seniors.
And these are handmade. It's done with pencil.
Okay. Entering into our studio
And
area.
how can we forget this wall?
Yeah. A wall. A wall that tells everything about architecture.
You may feel it like it is just some image, but when you see it in detail, it says lots of stories. Okay, it's not just an image; it contains so many things.
The archy life in one wall.
One wall. And that is Angry Bird flying there, who is fed up of his submissions.
We had a studio, a second year studio, which we were supposed to use, but due to Corona, we are not able to come here. We are not able to use the studio. Sleepless. Yeah, of course. Once you come to architecture, these are normal actually. Sleepless nights and this.
Yeah, we'll get used to it.
Yeah. And you have another studio here.
Which is apparently locked. So first we'll visit the canteen, which is our most favorite hangout space.
Yeah.
Now we will enter the place where your food is paid by others. You don't pay for your food; your friends pay for it.
Friends buy you food.
Oh, sadly, the canteen is closed.
Canteen when most of the time.
To canteen.
Yeah, it doesn't look like this always.
Yeah.
It's
actually
always
filled
busy.
with
Yeah,
people.
filled with people. You won't have
It's one
space
of the
to.
happening places in MSU. And it's a ground. And it's occupied by the school vans, college vans.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's a canteen.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
Arun
no
ice
less
cream.
than a restaurant here.
Yeah.
And this is food. Yeah.
Okay, this is our model making area.
Yeah, the outdoor
Workshop.
trees,
Yeah.
These are not done by our seniors. These are walls.
Domes and arches.
we work with cement or where the machine usually take.
This is the place to remember all the fun we had in the first year,
Yeah.
making all these. Oh, they are
We
still
even
here.
had play workshops and all.
Yeah.
Those are some of the things we did in the first year, which is all kind of new now. And yep, these walls are painted during arcade days, actually. We paint the original stuff which are done in arcade days. I mean, it's one of the competitions, I would say. This wall painting, yeah. We are just making the place very interesting and lively.
Oh, here's our HI model. You should know.
Oh, yeah, this is our history of architecture model, which we had done in our first time. This is Japanese.
Okay.
Yeah, Japanese thing. And this was done by.
This is our QR code model. You scan, you'll get to know what it is.
Yeah. These were all done during arcade days itself.
And yeah,
The wall
other than that,
paintings.
the workshop also has all these.
Are you guys in fifth year?
No, we are in second year.
Yeah, we are in second year.
Are seniors?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
States in.
Yep.
So here's a kiln to bake.
Yeah.
No.
Never used this actually, right?
Yeah. We would actually, but
Yeah.
work from home made it all weird.
Actually, we have an entrance from here.
Yeah,
but
which
I
is
guess it's
presently
locked
closed.
now.
Yeah.
We even had built arches and all. Had the brick pieces. We had actually casted small bricks using cement, and later we had built arches with them.
You'll be doing all of these fun stuff.
Yeah. But yeah, we missed the canteen and
That's
all
right,
the fun we used to had in our college.
Canteen was the best place.
Yeah.
So many memories
So
actually.
many.
So going back in. There we can see Priyanka ma'am patiently waiting for us.
And these are the notice boards where
Feature boards where
you
yeah,
can pin up your works.
featured works and all are pinned up over
these
here.
are the lockers.
These are the lockers which will be assigned for you, each compartment.
Younger man and Sharan fishing.
Patiently.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Yeah.
Yep.
You're not still.
This is more interesting. Actually, in this arcade, we should have seen the college. I mean, it's fully decorated. It was so much fun. Like, the stairs, everything will be decorated with all the art stuff and everything is done by
This
us.
is
Mohan sir.
We have our t-shirt.
so here we have Mahan sir.
Mahan sir. And this is our second floor. No, first floor. Hi, Andy.
Meet them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Karma, Manisha, and Time. We take care of the people that are introduced and canteen every single day. Yep. So this is fourth year studio on the left. Where our seniors used to work.
Yeah. Works which are pinned up.
This is
This is the urban design project of 2020
yeah.
of Devraja Market, which is a famous market in Mysore.
If you're localized, you might probably be aware of it. I think it's in the studio.
interesting the classrooms are.
And we can see
Yeah, Namrata.
Namrata. How are you, ma'am?
How are you?
Even this is done on architects. We each group paints each classrooms or given assigned walls which we create.
Oh, yeah. We compete against ourselves. And others.
Yeah.
Hey, why not we show them the whiteboard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is another classroom. And we have Vivek sir here.
Okay. You can see camera in camera.
Yeah.
He's basically keeping an eye on us. Yes. Yeah. And this Vivek sir is presently seated and is taking all the classes for you. We'll see you again.
Yeah, this is something
Yes.
actually very exciting and new.
Yes.
Also done by Mama. It's such a
Yeah,
fun
who's hiding? Yeah.
And Sandeep sir.
And Sandeep
Yeah,
sir.
and Sandeep sir. Yeah, guys, wait for it. Wait for the magic here. So this is for the light.
And this was a project done recently.
Yeah. Very bad at like so yes, I say back to them. I believe Mahan was in class, so you can see his work there. You will find some really interesting classes coming out of this game.
Yes.
Please
And
wait for it.
see how all has been taken care of. The sound dampening, and all of those.
This place was completely designed and made by Mahan and Sandeep. Mahan
Yeah.
sir and Sandeep sir.
Kudos to
Black and white board.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, guys, whoever is speaking, just speak closer to the phone so that your voice is not lost in this thing, okay? Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Let's go. Where?
Yeah, let's go
Yeah,
like
let's go to this classroom also. On the way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are again some fun installations.
Make sure
Eating hate matches on architects. We even have awards and prizes for this. Oh man.
You remember the night we
Yeah.
stood here and made this all possible?
yeah.
So nice. Like we stay here full night and we do
Yeah,
all
when
the
it
decoration.
comes
and
to
all.
work.
This is our senior studio. Even here classes going on. Okay.
We have a friend
Okay.
Yeah. You can see
who
Zara ma'am, along with
and we got the classmates Spurti and Princess.
these are juniors.
Are they juniors?
Who? They are our batchmates.
Hey, they are our batchmates. We are simply kidding.
You can see all the pockets.
Those are mine.
Oh, you can go.
Yeah. Let's go into the front.
And this is these are the fun stuff we actually miss in the college.
Again, going into the
This is the coolest staff room.
yeah. And ma'am is
Just
also
fooling
one
around.
of
This is going to be a yearly college.
What
juniors.
you recording? No.
Please say hi to them.
That's it. You're not getting more than that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Yeah. Good afternoon.
Here. See you guys soon in college. Come back.
Yeah. Yes. So this is, and here we have Sanket sir.
Hi. Welcome to MSA.
It's live streaming. These are amongst.
Yeah, that's Saramam's face. Hi.
You can repeat that. You can do that again.
Preetham sir, retake.
Take two.
Uh,
Yeah.
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 Rock. Hello. My name. Hello, my name is Preetham, and what is this? Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Excited to meet them.
Oh yeah, yeah, sure. Super excited to meet you guys. Very blind and virtual way, but yeah, looking forward to meeting all of you.
Yeah. We'll be back.
Yeah, we will meeting soon.
Yeah. We will see him upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah. So
This
we are
is
heading
our
to
library and computer center. Oh, so many books. This is our map.
Very next time. We come here to take the books.
We enter here when we have
Yeah.
to see. Whatever you want. Architecture.
You can see the nice place.
And we have
yeah, huge sheets.
huge seats.
Carrying on with our tour. Let's go upstairs. Finally going to our floor.
Water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, again, you can see a lot of pigeons and bees and all of them over here coexisting with you.
These projects can be
So, welcome
place
to.
where it all began.
It's no longer ours, it's now theirs. So, you can't say ours anymore.
Sandeep sir.
Yeah, I would request Sandeep sir to mute, otherwise, there'll be a message.
If you guys were in college, this would be your studio space, and currently Sandeep sir is using it as a very luxurious office space.
Yeah, as you can see, his own sweet setup.
Sandeep sir is waiting for you. It seems. So you guys need to like pray this corona goes away fast so that you can use your rightful places.
We actually missed this place. These are the places in the college. The studio.
बहुत अच्छी है, yeah.
It's done by the first semester.
So yeah, take a good sneak peek of your studio space.
We still have some of our work left there.
I think that is still open. We can go out the balcony. Is it? Or is it locked? It's sadly locked.
Okay. That won't open. Usually it's bathroom.
Just come and spoil our sheets.
So yeah, this is the silent Mysore School of Architecture that you see away from the chaotic city. So peaceful. Yeah. Move back here. Yeah, they're back.
This is the place we explored a lot of things.
Yeah.
We learned so many things here. This place is like, I don't want to leave.
Yeah, this was a part of a workshop that we had. Also, wire sculptures that we made.
This was supposed to be. Can you see his eyes?
Yeah, they're out of shape. Okay, moving out.
This is where we usually used to spend time. The corridors, sitting here, the break time and all. These were our models. Yeah, these were some of the models in the first semester.
And moving in.
Another lecture. Hi, welcome to MSA.
Yeah.
I think they can see me here also.
Yeah. So they're able to see you everywhere.
This was supposed to be our TT room.
Yeah.
And exhibition area.
Yeah.
You can see lots of.
It's closed. It's open.
We had a TT table here where we used to play. We just have shifted it somewhere else. So we just have to
It's
find
in
it.
that studio. I
Yeah.
think it's in that studio. And you can see some models in here.
They're all done by our seniors. Use the ball and come and sit here many of the times.
I don't think that will be the nice to tell right now.
Bunch of you.
Yeah.
I'm a real. Oh, we have our TT table over here.
Yeah, this is a third
This
year
is our
studio.
third year studio.
Studio 3.
We have a TT table.
And the studio.
Yeah.
Yeah. And fun seniors we had.
Everything.
Yeah, during our induction program, we were fascinated to see this.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
This is the.
Yeah, a few more hangout spaces where we
Yeah,
sit.
sitting down,
Yeah.
hanging out.
In fact, the campus is filled with spaces where we
Yeah.
hang out.
Yeah. Okay.
Top view of our courtyard.
Top cute. Yeah.
So I think with this, we come to an end of a tour. So taking you over to Priyanka
Actually,
now.
it's a lot.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, guys, this is the campus, and I'm sure there are still lot more spaces that you will also explore as you join, and you'll all have your own corners that you'll find interesting. So this was a basic guide from your seniors. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll hand over to Shreya, who is going to tell you what next.
Yeah, okay. First of all, Faizan, Aditi, and Varun, thank you so much for agreeing to come here and do this. Okay, first years, do you have any questions for your seniors? Are you excited to meet them or do you want to know anything else?
Yes.
You guys can ask them anything.
Guys, you have anything to ask?
Be free.
Yeah.
At least, did you guys enjoy the virtual tour? I know you guys can't come to college right now, so we wanted to give you an experience of the college. You can say anything.
If you want to ask anything, you can ask.
Or in fact, I suggest Faizan, Aditi, you can share your experiences of how it was, the first year, and and the choice that you have made to be into architecture. Okay, you can just talk about that because very similar. Something that we were talking about was there in the session, the morning session.
Yeah, actually,
Why is it echoing so many times?
Because of
I think both the mics are on. You can take out your mask for a while answering. It's okay.
Social distance.
Yeah, we won't fit in a screen physically.
Yeah, that's fine.
actually, architecture, I mean, it was really fun. The college was really cool. The teachers were very friendly. And yeah, I mean, they help us in everything, not only in academics. I told you before, we have something called NASA and all. Even they come
Yeah, before NASA and all, the first thing that you learn is the studio culture.
Yeah.
Yeah. So getting used to the studio space and all of that, that is the beginning of everything, basically.
Yeah, actually, it's something new, it's something different. It's not like the usual classroom setup.
I
It's
still remember the
completely
day when Vivek sir taught us how to sharpen a pencil.
Yeah.
It starts all from there, starting from sharpening a pencil.
Studios are actually fun. I mean, you don't have like the usual. I mean, where you'll be sitting with your friends. You'll be having your individual tables, and a lot happens in the studio. It's really fun, and we miss out a lot.
Also, so many subjects, interesting subjects,
Yeah.
model making, drafting skills.
Even
building
you will have
construction.
visual arts, basic design, everything. Yeah, where you learn so many things. Okay, it's not just that you have some portion and you'll complete it. It's like you explore everything on your own. Like teachers will help you, okay, but it is all yours.
You
Like
have
you can create whatever you want, and there are mentors to guide you that it will be right or not. Like it's like amazing.
something different, something fun.
Yeah. Actually, the
Yeah.
guys are missing out on the first week that we had in college.
Yeah,
The
actually,
induction.
all the drama thing and
Yeah.
all, right?
The icebreaker that we had was
Yeah.
literally the best
The
part
best
of
part,
first
yeah.
semester, I think.
We are made in groups. We were given some
Tasks.
topics to do tasks. And then
Skits,
we did
dramas
our
and everything.
drama. I was the Swiggy boy, okay.
Yeah, I
I was the
mean,
best Swiggy boy.
initially the
He's still known as the
college-
Swiggy boy.
college Swiggy boy.
Yeah. That was my impression created on first day. And so many people call me Swiggy boy. And there are some people they are called by the names which we had in street. That was like our first interaction with our
Yes,
seniors,
yes.
everyone. And it's not just that you have to talk with everyone here. Like you will learn everywhere. It's not like you learn only in studio, only in classroom. Like you sit in canteen, you talk with seniors, you learn. You sit in courtyard, you talk with faculty, you learn. It's like everywhere learning, okay? And it's really
And
chill.
it's fun.
Yeah,
And it's fun, actually. Also, guys, you can unmute yourself and talk to us.
Yeah.
It will be a good.
I think, guys, you should switch on your camera so even they get to see you, so it doesn't feel like they're talking to just a screen. Just for 5 minutes, if you guys can just show your face, like it's okay. I mean,
At least
you guys
introduce
were
yourself.
interacting with us. Hi, Fauzan. Meet Faizan.
Yeah. Hi, Faizan.
I know. Why did you switch off? There, Anjali, Anchal.
Yeah.
You guys have any
Assalamualaikum,
questions
Faizan.
you can.
Hi, Varun. Hi, Vicky. That was an amazing tour. Thank you very much for that. Really enjoyed it.
Where are you from?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I'm from Mysore.
Oh, from Mysore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm from,
So all of you are from Mysore, or?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm from Kerala.
Guys, keep your camera on.
Hello.
Hello, Anchal.
Hi.
In the picture, please let us know so that we look good in the picture.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you guys look good. Okay.
So how much sleep do you guys actually get?
That's the question to ask. Yeah. Faizan, you can answer. He's asking how much leave you guys get in between semesters.
I mean leave. I mean sleep.
Oh, sleep. Okay.
Yeah.
That's sleep.
That's an important question. Yeah.
Exclude the sleeping that you do in the classrooms, okay?
Like to exercise.
We have our meeting hours in studio sometimes.
Yeah.
Like, we work all night and we come to if your work is complete, then you didn't sleep and you didn't complete your work, then it will be
But it will be fun working also. Nice.
Though, I mean, you don't keep the stress or something. I mean, if you enjoy it, it's really fun.
Yeah. Yes, we had like that only. We put on conference call, we work on set, we work off set. Like night was like over.
Especially there will be these times where you work for NASA and all. Again, NASA is a competition for students of architecture. So where throughout India, all the colleges participate and all of that. And even in that, we used to work a lot, and we portray our college over there.
And in architecture, you don't only learn in studios. So there's a lot to learn outside, like by attending these competitions and all.
And you will have field trips.
Yeah, field trips are the biggest part. And you'll never miss a field trip.
Yeah. And also, I think we also remember the time when we, so we prepared the sheets and all for NASA, staying up all night in college.
It's a purely student organization, but the teachers also come and help us and that's
Guiders and all of that. All of us basically come together and.
Yeah, the whole college is one thing.
Yeah, it's not just academics that you have in architecture. There are a lot of things other than academics too.
You guys are missing a lot of.
Not like that, just any food.
We celebrate together, we eat together, we have fun together, we have sleepless nights together. It's like so fun. Oh man, you guys are missing out on a lot.
It would be you guys are really lucky actually.
Architecture is one thing where you come to.
30,000. You were asking something, I think.
Yeah.
I just said you guys are really lucky. We are still stuck in this COVID-19 and all that. Can't even attend college.
Actually, being honest, we were also here for just 1.5 semesters.
Yeah.
So all these memories are just in that span of one semester. So just imagine how many memories you might make. Still, it is going to resume soon, actually. So
yeah, you will meet everyone after you come to college. Your seniors, everyone. You will learn lots of things from them also. Like I learned so many things. Like not just faculty, not just seniors. You learn from everywhere. Okay, like you can learn from it. From a small talk also, you learn something. It's like that in art.
It's never boring.
Yeah, it's never boring. Yeah. How do you think like we go sleepless during nights? it's like fun, no, to do. That's why we are like,
And the best feeling, like after you complete the work, like after all the sleepless nights, and when you give that jury, I mean,
Oh yeah.
oh my
The feeling
god,
of the
that's
jury.
yeah. And after the jury, I mean, that's really a very nice feeling.
yeah, after jury, it's like best feeling.
Yeah, that's the best feeling.
I think we should not spoil the fun for them now by saying all this. They should experience all of that. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I think we have covered one whole hour, and thank you so much for making it so detailed. I'm sure your juniors benefited a lot from that. I know it's a very unconventional start to the semester. You guys cannot physically be here, but it's okay. I think we need to make the most out of it. And any kind of memories that you get to make, anyhow, I think we need to really appreciate it and cherish it, at least in times like this. So again, I would like to thank Aditi, Varun, Faizan. Thank you so much for coming today.
Yeah, thank you.
You guys did a great job. Yes.
Have they done a
Thank
model?
you so much.
Yes, Prithvi. What are you asking again? Can you repeat?
Have they done a model? Some kind of
Yes, they should. No, they will. All the models that you see here in college is all done by students. There is nothing. Yeah.
I want to
First
ask
semester,
them.
you learn all the model making skills as well. You have a workshop, model making workshop, where you'll for the entire semester you learn the skill to skills to make models and all of those.
I just want to ask you that how much time did you take to make that model?
Which model are you talking about?
Which model?
Any model that did it frustrated you while making it?
Oh no.
Did you guys get frustrated? Answer honestly.
No.
It's okay. You don't have to sugarcoat it.
At art getting reels, you will get frustrated. You are like first doing, you are like cool. You have fun, okay. Like, you are super excited, okay, like great models. You are like, okay.
Yeah.
Especially if little goes wrong, you get frustrated.
Yes.
Okay, Prithvi, I should tell you, see, you guys won't start off doing really big models that you are seeing in college, okay? Like in first semester, you do start by doing smaller ones. We will even teach you how to use a blade and how to cut a particular material. Everything will be taught to you. You'll start with a smaller model and then you slowly go on. Then you start doing bigger models in a group first. So 4 or 5 of you will be put together to do a certain kind of model. You'll probably experience it in history first when you're doing it. Yeah, and then slowly you will, as you go in second year, third year, you'll start making bigger models by yourself. So don't get overwhelmed looking at something, because we will teach you everything from the scratch. Like they told, even you'll be taught how to sharpen a pencil. Okay, so you have 5 years to learn and build these skills. So don't get worried about it. And it's not about being good or bad at something. You just need to be interested enough to learn it once you come here. Okay. So if you just put in effort, trust me, it's quite easy. You only need a little bit of patience and that persistence to sit and do it. Okay. Anything else? Anybody has any other questions? Otherwise, we can ask Faizan, Varun, and Aditi to log off, and I'll introduce you to today's activity, and then you guys can take your lunch break. So, anybody has any other question, you can ask right now. You can say no if there's nothing.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, guys. Varun, Aditi, Faizan, thanks again. You guys can log off.
Thank you.
The rest of you stay in the meeting.
You soon in college. So that's all from my side. Over and out.
Yeah. Hopefully, you guys will get to meet soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. You guys just stay back for just 5 more minutes. I'll just introduce you to today's activity. So you guys saw the college. I hope everybody, I know little bit in between you must have missed a couple of words and all, but at least visually you were able to see the whole college?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Properly? Okay. Yes. So your activity for today is, again, you will have a lunch break for 2 hours now. Like we'll meet back at 3 o'clock. So you have your lunch and take a A4 size sheet. Okay. And you can do anything you feel like on that sheet. So you sketch with pencils, you sketch with watercolor, color pencils, anything. So you need to, whatever you felt looking at the college. So your representation of the college, try to sketch it out on that sheet of paper. Okay, there is no restrictions, and it is not something, it has to be real. Any feeling you got looking at the college, or like something that caught your eye, you saw something which you thought was very interesting, or few things that you thought was very interesting, or just the feeling you got, you can try to sketch out anything. So it can be like a comic strip, it can be a doodle, it can be a watercolor painting. Do whatever you feel like. You don't have to spend too much time. Obviously, you have 2 hours to do this, including your lunch. So it can be a very quick thing. So we just want to know how you can put your feelings or your experience down on the sheet. That is the whole purpose of the activity. Okay. You think it's doable?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will meet back at 3 o'clock, and you guys will have a chance to talk about your experience, how you felt looking at the college, and you can explain like what you made after the experience, right? Is that clear? Anybody has any doubts regarding what they need to do?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so A4 sheet, okay? So you take a A4 sheet and work on that. All right? Okay, so we'll
Yes, ma'am.
meet back at 3 o'clock then, okay? Join the same meeting link.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, guys, you can take your break
Ma'am.
now. Please have lunch, and then you can work on it. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay, and please also do the submission in the classroom so that we can present it and everybody can see it. Fine, you can take a picture and put it in the classroom. You guys have already done it yesterday, so you're aware of it, right?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
guys. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.